The free Excel course that you're about to watch is just a small part of Microsoft Office full course bundle. So if you want to also master Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint with my teaching style and also be able to gain a certificate of completion for the course you're watching, you can feel free to tap the first link in the description right now and join us over there in a fraction of cost. Also mentionable that this course is brought up to you by the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available to the traditional education. With all that being said, I'm very excited to get started, so let's go. Now let's continue our work by heading over to the Insert tab. So these are important as well. Over here, as you see, we have plenty of insertables that we are going to go through one by one in this course. So the first thing that we can insert inside Microsoft Excel is pictures. And as you see, I can come to Insert tab, and using pictures, my picture can be either placed in a cell or placed over cells. So I start with place in cell, for example. As you see, for all, we have plenty of options. We can insert from this device, stock images, or online pictures. So I use this device and try to choose the logo to our college to be placed inside the cell. So this is, as you see, place in cell. And this is, as you see, what we have here. I can come to home and using this cells part and inside format, I can change the height to the entire row in order to see my logo better, as you see. So this is one option that we have for images. Another option, as you saw, is placing over cells, which will happen like this, as you can see. So I'm having this image of mine placed over the cells that we have. And as you see, as I imported and inserted this image of mine, the picture format tab was opened. So here I have plenty of options available. We have remove background, so we can remove the background of the image that we've imported and make it transparent. For this case, it's not usable because the logo that I've imported is already a transparent logo in the PNG format, as you see, but this is usable over here. We also have corrections, as you see, for brightness, contrast, and those kinds of settings, and I can change them over here. We have plenty of color options, so we can apply different colors to this image that we have over here. We have transparency, which is about the opacity to this image. So if I make it transparent, as you see, I can watch everything behind it, through it, just like that. So back to how it was. We have picture styles, just like what we had with the other Microsoft Office family softwares and members. And we can set picture border over here, the color, the weight, the style, and everything to it. I can set from picture effects, from the plenty of preset picture effects that we have, to my picture. And we also have picture layout, which will allow me to convert my picture into smart objects, as you see. We also have alignment options. We have rotate. We have crop. They are all available over here as well. And this is the picture format tab inside Microsoft Excel. So the next insertable through this insert tab, let me remove these images, is shapes. And as you see, Microsoft Excel provides us with plenty of shapes, and we can choose and use any of them that we choose just by clicking on it and then clicking and dragging, and I will be able to draw that shape inside my project. As you see, the shape format tab is now opened and added. We have shape styles. We have presets for our shape style. We can set different parts of it ourselves, so we can change the shape fill, as you see, the shape outlines and the settings to them, the shape effects that it provides us with. We also have word art styles, which is about the times that we type inside our shape. So how we do that, how we add texts inside our shapes, inside Microsoft Excel, is that we right click on the shape and click edit text. And as you see, we will be able to add texts over here. The Takeoff College. And afterwards, this text is controllable through this word art styles. We can choose between these presets or set the fill, the outline, and the effects of it ourselves. As you see, we also have rotation options here, and that's basically all that we have. And as you see, shapes are flexible inside Microsoft Excel and movable and placeable anywhere that we want them to be. So the next insertable over here is icons. As you see, Microsoft Excel provides us with a wide range of stock images, which are icons basically, and we can choose between them, click insert, and that very specific icon and graphic that we've chosen is now imported to Microsoft Excel, and we will be able to use all these icons inside our project in order to make it look better or look more professional whenever that it is needed. The next insertable that we have over here is 3D models, which are available in all parts of the Office family, as you probably know. If you've been through Word course and PowerPoint course, you know what I mean. And over here, as you see, we can choose between these 3D models that it provides us with, and we can click on insert, and afterwards, as you see, we will have them inside our project. We have 3D model tab opened over here as well, which we can use to choose between different views that it provides us with, or we can use this button over here, as you see, for our 3D rotations in order to make the 3D model the exact thing that we are looking for. The next thing that we can insert is smart arts. So in order to do that, first we click on this smart art button over here inside the insert tab, and we go through all these presets that this provides us with. We need to choose the one that we are seeking to use and click OK, and as you see, smart art will be added to our project. So we can change the content to it using this part. So I say step 1, for example, step 2, step 3. And as you see, this is how we can have smart arts inside Microsoft Excel. When we add them, this tab will be opened over here. So we have smart art design, which is about the design and the color setup of this smart art that we've added over here. We can also convert it to another one. So we keep the data and convert this smart art to another one that we are seeking to use. We also have this formatting tab, this format tab over here, as you see, which we can use in order to style different shapes that are used inside our smart art, or different texts that are used and placed inside our smart art, just like that. The last thing that we can add inside illustrations section of the insert tab is screenshots, which is basically about clipping a part of our screen, and it will provide us with the image that we've clipped inside our project in case that we need it. And as you see, we have a picture format for this screenshot opened over here as well, and that shows us that screenshots that Excel provides us have the exact same settings that an ordinary image can have. So that's basically it.